So if you're here, you may have a light generator on a mask on your material layer and you're not seeing it work as intended. So right now I have a darker layer and a lighter layer, and I want the light generator to only affect where the light's hitting our material. And to check if it's working, we can alt click on our mask and see what the alpha looks like here. And right off the bat, I know this is wrong because our alpha shouldn't be completely white. It shouldn't be letting everything show through with this material. There needs to be some gradient. So it's not working, and there's a reason for this, and that's because we didn't bake our mesh maps. So we can fix this by just going into our texture set settings right here next to layers for me. And I'm going to scroll down to bake mesh maps. There's a button right there. Click that and it'll take you to this screen. And then you need to select bake textures, bake selected textures. So that just scrolls through. It takes just a few seconds, and then you can return to painting mode when it's done. And here we'll see it's starting to work. So I can tell already, because of the way that the light is hitting this now, that our gradient is working much better. So if I alt click on the mask, I can see it's not white anymore. It's dark in the areas where the light isn't hitting, and then white only in the areas where the light is hitting, which is exactly what I wanted. It's looking really good. And if you want to experiment more, just alt click on that texture so you can see what it looks like again. And you can change the color here just to see really definitively what it looks like. There's a good way to see. So now I'm seeing that where the light's hitting, that's where the blue is, and where it's not hitting is where the red is. And this is perfect because that's what the light generator is there to do. So it's actually working. We just had to bake those maps. And if you want it to work in reverse, say, so the reverse of how the light hits, that is also doable. Go to the light generator and then under parameters, invert, hit false and switch it to true, and now it's working in reverse. So now the darker areas will have light and the lighter areas will be dark. I'm not sure if that's what I want here, but that can be useful for some instances. So now I can, bring my colors back to what they were and play around with this, but I am a big fan of layering and using generators in my textures. So I hope this helped you guys. Remember, just bake those maps and you will see your alphas are working as intended. So thanks for watching. Check out my playlist in Substance, and I'll see you in the next one.